that is good. So I think it is even now. I think it is there. Okay. End time is like 9:30. 9:30. Hope it is that was good. I didn't saw that my audio is not going on. This new thing is that I have to change the audio. Okay, now I think it is you are able to audio. I'm audible now. I think I'm audible now. I am audible now. Okay, so this is again, so we have to do this, and then I will again have to do this product component where I was doing the where was the Axios. Okay, so there is the Axios. So Axios again, the same thing. I have to do this Axios and all these things. So I'm going to do this Axios call again here, and we are going to use a different API endpoint. This ID is coming in here. So from how I will get the ID? See, this ID is coming here. So I will get the ID with the import use params. There is something like use params. So I will get it from there. Import use params from React router DOM. And again, the same thing, this dispatch hook where I was using. So dispatch hook, I'm going to use dispatch also, and dispatch and use selector are the latest hooks from React router, means React Redux, and this has made React very easy. Okay, Redux very easy. Okay, so because of this, Redux has been very earlier we used to do this map state to props and map dispatch to props, all the things. It was making actually Redux very complicated. So with this, it's a bit much more easier. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is import selected product from Redux actions and product actions. Selected product is there. Okay, actions, did I create that action? Okay. I created it. So selected product is there. Okay. Now inside this product detail, we are again going to have this product ID. So what is this product ID? Product ID is actually coming from here. So this product ID we are going to get, and we're going to get it as const product ID equal to use params. I'm going to do, and let product is equal to use selector, and state is like state dot product. So I'm only getting the single product, state dot product I'm getting, and I have to go to do the dispatch also here. Then it is like const dispatch equal to use dispatch. Let me have a console dot log of product here, log of product here, and I will have the fetch product detail also here. So fetch product detail will be, see, like this. Here we have this fetch product. So here I will have this single fetch product. Okay, let me copy this thing. I will change it anyways. D3 tutorial is also uploaded. Why it will not be uploaded? I don't hold back anything. Here is the day 3 tutorial. Not uploaded. Why it won't be uploaded? This is the day 3. I think you didn't watch it and all. Okay. This is the day 3 tutorial. Okay. So this is there, and as I was telling, so we have to make some changes here because it is not const fetch product, it is fetch product, and it is like detail, fetch product detail, and I think is there, and we are going to get an ID here. Okay, ID we are going to get, and then const response await and all these things are there. but there is another endpoint in which I have to pass the ID here. So this is also from the fetch API endpoint. So this I'll go, and this ID will be there, and this will be there, and like catch error and all these things are there. Set selected product. Okay, it is like dispatch this selected product. I'm going to pass selected product, and response to data again it will be there, and then use effect I will call this fetch product detail, and it will be like it will not like directly, it will be going to this fetch product detail. Okay, fetch product detail, it will not directly go here. So I will check also one thing here before going it there. If product ID and then product ID not equal to empty array, then the fetch product detail will be called. Then this fetch product detail will be called, and I'm going to use this use effect in this product ID I will give. So it means that it depends on this product ID. It is it will not load initially. It initially also it will load, but use effect it means the product ID if it change. If it is 1, if it is 2, then also it will run. So it is like this. So product detail and all is done. So let us first see whether it is actually coming. This data, okay, use effect is not defined, so I have to use this use effect, save it and inspect it, console. If I see, this is the product detail and nothing is coming in the product detail. Okay, but product details. Okay, product details 29. Okay, it is product details 29. What is this 29? What is product details 11? Details and from where it is coming anyways. Something is wrong here. Product details should not come like this. Okay, let me see again. Anyways, it will not come here. Anyways, the controller lock should not be there. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let us first change it, and let us see whether it is coming. Okay, so we'll destructure it like const image comma title price category and description is like product. So this all things we have done. Then after that, we will show all these things here. So let me get this. One sec. Okay, so there is a lot of things here, so let me not waste much time. Let me take it. So all the data are there mainly. Okay, so this data are also all semantic UI which we have taken. So all semantic UI is there, and after that I'm checking whether the object.keys dot products dot length is equal to 0. Okay, if it is equal to 0, then I will show the loader. Okay, if it is equal to 0, so object dot keys, the thing which we are getting back is an actually an object, because if I see this fake API endpoint, like this, everything coming from this, okay, fake API endpoint, and here get a single product, like this. Where is that? Oh god. Okay, so we are getting like this. Okay, we are getting a single product and we are getting it like this, and they are given us this then and JSON. Okay, that is okay. So this is what we are getting. Okay, this is going fine. Okay, and then if you're getting the data, we are showing everything. Okay, so SRC image I'm showing, price I'm showing, and all these things which I'm getting, I'm showing them, category I'm showing, description I'm showing, so all these things I'm showing. So let me save it now. So I have saved it, and let me see whether now I'm getting the data or not. So if I click on it, okay, the loader itself is running. It means that nothing is coming. See this loader is continuously running, so it means again nothing is coming. Okay, so again we have to, maybe we have to destructure it and all. So network and all, whether it is going or not. One more thing I want to check first, this is actually working or not. Okay, products, maybe one. Okay, one it is showing like this. So one it is showing. So state, where we are doing the dispatch. So product detail we are doing, set selected product, we are getting the console.log response.data. So response.data is coming. Okay, even this API is not been called. Okay, product ID not equal to. Okay. So what is there? Fetch product detail. Is there. We remove this thing. When it is not coming here, maybe product ID is 1. Then let product equal to use set as state dot product. State dot product is state dot product, whether it is state dot products, is there some initial state and all. So here in the, so nowadays I have to do a lot of destructuring and all. Okay, selected product and all is there. Is this action type is right? Selected product is right, and the type console.log of type is there. Save it. Type and all going and all. Where is the Redux? So this product is here, it is coming as nothing. When it is set products is coming as nothing. It's weird. Okay, console.log type is it's okay. Console product listing is okay. Set product reducer, it is coming fine. Product detail, it is coming fine. Why it is not showing? And it is only going here only. Again, this is getting very hard to debug. Yesterday also it shown all this issue. Okay. Product detail, something is there which is wrong. I'm getting away. Let me show it here. Let me do one thing. On this changes, I will commit it. Border remove selected product, remove selected product. I have not added the logic for that. Remove selected product. Okay, now it is coming. Okay, now it is coming. So what was the issue? What did I did wrong? So let me see that what I did wrong. So all these things are okay. So this was not an issue. This was not an issue. State dot product. Okay, this is not an issue. Description is image, title, price. This is not an issue. Dispatch is use dispatch. This is not an issue. Catch. This is not get. This is not an issue. Okay, this. Okay, then God means there is no issue actually. Means in this code also there is no issue. Okay, this is something which I removed later on. I don't think any issue is there. Means I don't know why it is not working. Okay, so it is working now. No issues. Now it is working. Sometimes it happens. So see, now it is showing me this thing which is there. So, and I don't think add to cart will work. Okay, because it's a fake API endpoint. So anything I can select, anything I will select, it will show this thing. Anything I will select, it will take this for and it will show it. So it is working fine now. Now, what we need to do? We need to now remove a product. Okay, so that is there. What is happening right now? There is no issue in the product right now, but one small thing is that, see, if I click this, for momentarily it shows the earlier product it shows. So this can, you can ignore it, but it is not a good user experience. Okay, it is actually the earlier state is still remaining in that product. We are not unmounting the earlier state. So the problem is that we're not unmounting it. So for that we have to do one thing. We have to unmount, means unmount the code before it is new one is been loaded. So for that we have to go back to our products actions, product action. Where is my product action? So product actions will go, and here we'll have a remove selected product also. Okay, so I will have a export const remove selected product equal to like this, and return action type the remove selected products I'm having. Okay, so that is there. Now what we're going to do in this, maybe in the this actions also I have this thing. And see, okay, remove selected products I have. Remove selected products. Remove selected product. Yeah, I have. remove selected products, I just did. Now we have to do it in the reducer also. So we'll go to this reducer, product reducer. Here in the action type, selected product is there. So here we are going to have this case as actions dot remove selected product, and I will return an empty object here. Empty object, I'm returning it here. Save it. Now in our product detail file only, we'll go here, and in this, after this, I'm going to have a remove selected product, which we have already done. And here what I am going to have here, after this thing, if this thing is working, I'm going to have this component will unmount kind of a code, so which will run when the component will unmount. So I will do this return, and this is a component unmount code. See, this is a real case scenario of a component unmount code, which is a must. Okay, the dispatch remove selected product I'll do, and this is done. And then after this, okay, this is all okay, this is all okay, and save it. And now let us go back here, and if I click here, so this is okay. And see, the loading was also been shown because this is the first time it is loading. Now I will select something else. The loading is shown instead of that. Okay, it's showing for a very long time. Oh, showing for a very long time. Wow. Okay, so it becomes slow. So it is okay, it is working fine. So this all projects is working fine, and anyways you'll get this GitHub and all. So this all is working fine, but we need to update something else also in this product. Okay, so what we need to update, so the thing is that I didn't use the Redux thunk in this project. Redux thunk is not there. So if you go anywhere like this, even in this reducers, where is this index, so there is no Redux thunk and all. So why Redux thunk is required? See, we are doing API call here. 2 times we are doing API call. The API call has been done by the product listing page. So we are doing this API call here from this response and all. We're doing this API call here. And in the product detail page also we are doing the API call. So actually this is not a good thing to do in a Redux based project, because Redux, what happens, I have told earlier also, this is the API call which we are doing. This is the normal React way API call. Okay, this is the normal React way API call. Okay, so that is there. Normal React way API call is there. This is not Redux. Redux, always the API call is done through Redux thunk. So this is something which we are going to change now. We are going to change it with the Redux thunk, and for that, okay, so we are just enhancing our project with your Redux thunk. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here, and in the SRC, close some of them. Product component I don't need, product reducer and product details and all these things I'm going to change. In this SRC, I'm going to have a folder known as APIs. APIs I'm going to have, and these APIs I'm going to have a shop API.js, shop API.js I'm going to have, and this is there. Then import Axios from Axios and export default Axios.create. So we are having Axios as the central location. So we are having a base URL. This is another way to use Axios. Okay, base URL, and okay, fake API.com. We are going to only have this .com, not the complete thing. So this thing, I'm going to have this base URL first. So after this, in the action types, where is my T action types.js, we're going to have one more thing, which is like fetch products I'm going to have, and it will be like fetch products like this. So this we have. Now will go to the product action, control P, products actions.js, products action.js I'm going, and here we are going to have one fetch products also. So export const fetch products equal to async like this, and const response equal to await axios dot get products. Axios dot get products is there. Then return and type is action type dot fetch products, and a load is response is there. Then in this axios is not defined. Axios protections. Okay, product actions also axios have to import. I think it is not this axios. Okay, there is something wrong. I think we have to fix it. Okay, because this is not this axios I have to use, and this is like this shop API I have to use, which I've just created. Shop API I have to do shop API, and now dot 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 APIs, and this shop API I'm going to do shop API, and this is done, and this products and all is there. Okay, so actually this was wrong. This is actually the shop API which I have to do the API call, not with the that's okay. So this shop API I have to do. Okay, and that is done. So let us go a bit further. Okay, fetch API, fetch products is there, and all these things are there. So actions have been done. So we'll go back to this product listing, and we are going to change the logic, change this API endpoint. So this API endpoint which we are going to do, this will not be done anymore from here. So set products is there, and we are going to have this fetch products is there, and then this use effect, we are going to first remove all these things, because we are not going to use this thing. Okay, not all of this thing. This fetch products only we are going to remove. So this fetch products I am going to remove, and then in use effect I am going to come, and this different fetch this one will be called dispatch, and this fetch products will be called here, and then I will save it, and it will give me error and all. So it is giving me some error. It is giving me error because see what is, if I go do a inspect also, maybe it will show me error here also, because actions must be plain object, use custom middleware for async action. It is giving me this error, use custom middleware for async action. It means we have to use that custom middleware, which is that Redux Thunk, and we have to update that logic. So I will go here and I have to install this Redux Thunk here. Okay, so I will go and I will Control J and I will do a Redux Thunk. Yes, to do an API call, using this here, to do an API call with our Redux based project, we have to need this Redux thing. So I will again Control J this, and this thing is done. So this API call, we have to update our store also. Okay, we have to update our store also. So store store.js, and create store, comma, apply middleware, comma, compose. I have to do this compose thing. We have to do when you're doing apply middleware, I have to use this compose thing, and then I will import here, import thunk from Redux Thunk, and then this is the way we are doing creating this store. We have to now change it. So we are going to change it with const compose enhancers equal to window.redux.tool extension. So this is the redux.tool extension is actually getting imported, windows.redux.tool extension, and this all these things which we are doing like here, this all thing will also get changed. So with the reducer and this thing, we'll have this compose enhancers and apply middleware thunk. So this is one of the way to use. We use it in a different way when I did it, when I was telling this reader. So we did it in a different way. So this I will do, and then we have to go back to this product action will go back, and here we have not done one more thing here. Okay, so this product fetch products, we're not updated it completely, so we have to update it, and it will not go like this shops.api. We're trying to do it like this, but we have to actually dispatch a function here. So let us do that, dispatch a function here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to have a return and sync function, and dispatch is there. Redux acting function dispatch is there, and then it will be having this uh, all these things will actually come inside it. So this const response is await shop api response, and after this is not a normal return, this is like a dispatch like this. It's a dispatch is like this, and then it is like this, and type is action dot fetch product, payload is response dot data, it is there, and everything is okay. Then here I'll come, here it is okay. Okay, so that is done. Now we have to go to this products reducer. So we're just refactoring our code. Okay, product reducer, we'll go action, and then after this reducer, I'll go to this product reducer, and here in this product reducer, in this okay, set products, we have this product reducer, set products we have. So we have this fetch products also. Okay, so we'll have this case action types, action types dot fetch products, and it is like return dot state, and products is payload. So products is payload is there. So let me save it, and let us go back, that whether we are able to get the data and not, and we are not able to get the data. Let me inspect it, and okay, let me do a control C. Sometime you have to do npm start also, and did redux thunk here. So redux thunk I did actually. Okay, action multiplication. And again, did I got this error right now? Set products is given, access is given, but memory product listing it is okay. Product listing is okay. So it is giving me other actions as a plain knowledge and product listing never occur in product listing and all. Product listings and all the above error is coming. So I don't think we are actually doing anything here in this product listing, because we need to have a lot of thing here. Product listing. Okay, one sec. So this product listing, we are there. Fetch products is there. Dispatch fetch products. So dispatch fetch products is going to this fetch products. Okay, so what is the issue here? Dispatch fetch products is going to this fetch products, and export const fetch products, and async function dispatch is there. Let me have a try catch block also here. So if I have a try catch block, what will happen? So if I having some error, it will catch it. Try catch here, and I will have this thing. Let's try. And catch is console.log of error is there. Save it. Okay, so it is again giving me actions must be plain object, use custom middleware and all. It is giving the product listing, route switch, browser app, provide considering error bounded play. Action must be plain object, action must be plain object. Again, we are getting the same thing. Action must be plain object. In the product reducer, did we miss something? Fetch products. Fetch products is okay. Dot state, and products is payload, and Redux, it is coming, nothing is coming because it is giving me this Redux error and all. Okay, Redux error and all is coming. One sec. One sec. GitHub. Redux. Okay. Let me do this. Okay, show in folder. Let's fix it. Okay. Again, we have these issues. Shop API. Let us do from the start. What is this? Control P. Shop APIs. This is okay. Shop APIs, anyways. Axios dot create. There is no issue there. Then what we did in this product listing. Product listing. Okay, this. Okay, again one more thing. This is commit to. Let me have this commit to. Okay, so package.json have Redux thunk, and okay, so a lot of debugging. So this is what happens in the real projects also. You do this 100 times also, this things happens. This access, anyways, I'm not doing this access call here, and this also I'm not doing it here. So let me do this thing also, and this app.js and all, product ID and all is right. And then the action creator I changed. So action creator I changed where is the product action? Product action is here, and in this I have this fetch products and all is there, get API and all is. So only one this fetch products is something which I changed. So let me see if there is some error in this fetch product only. So I'll come here and do this fetch product, save it. Okay, it is showing me this something is been changed here. Again, let me do it completely. So expect consistent fetch product. What this error? This async I was not doing is async, and inside it await and all these things were done. So this is not async. This thing is not async actually. This thing was not async. So let me no. Why not? It is not. So this async was not there. So now also it is not coming, but I'm not getting any error now. It means it is working. Sometimes I need to do this thing. Sometimes you need to do this API call and dispatch dispatch and running in SRPC product listing. I'm there, product listing, yes I'm there, and this is missing some dependencies. It is telling so some dependencies is missing. So in this components and product listing and some dependencies missing. Okay, so this, what is this dependency which is missing? Like, okay, no dependencies are missing. No, why is this API call not well, now we're doing this API call from here. Okay, this dispatch we're doing API call. 1 second, let me go to this reducer, and in this reducer okay, then also it is not coming. Okay, no problem. Again some issues there. I don't want to waste much time because I fixed a lot of it here. So I again have to fix it offline and show it tomorrow. And tomorrow we are going to do on the last day we are going to do a exciting topic known as the Redux Toolkit. So this is a new way to use Redux, and it is very popular nowadays. So you'll all will get that hear that thing sometime. So Redux Toolkit, okay. So that we are going to do, and let me give the attendance link here and. Yeah. So market readiness here again we are missing we are getting a lot of things like this. Okay, so these things happens in production projects also. You get stuck and for the whole day you get stuck in something. So these things always happen. So you see like this debugging things also, you saw how I debugged it also. And I will again because I debugged it and fixed one of the thing, but sometimes you cannot fix all the things, are not possible to debug at this time and we have some limited time also. So I will debug it offline and I will again tell you almost what was the issue, because this project is almost over and we are going to do this, and I'm going to tell what was the issue and all. Okay, so again, so we'll so hope you all have filled the attendance form, and we'll meet tomorrow for the last day of this series. And next week is React Native week. Okay, so all the things are set up and all those things have been done, and so we are going to do the React Native next week. And React Native I think I have never done on this channel, so React Native is next week, which will be really awesome because I have prepared all the everything and all. So we are going to do that. Okay, with this I'm going to end this stream today. Thank you.